guys, it's Beccaboo here. Welcome back to my channel. My parents just left the house, so I'm like, you gotta film your intro outro before they get back. It's literally been forever, even though I feel like I say that in every video. It's literally been forever since I filmed a video. It's been at least like 2-3 weeks, I don't know. Something ridiculous. I'm sorry guys. It was the most hectic like couple weeks ever. Not even hectic, it was just like super busy. I wanted to there's a hair. Yeah. It was crazy. I really wanted to be in the moment. You know, my sister's wedding had a lot to do with that, and then Wayne was here, so I didn't want to be like filming, editing, or anything while he was here. We kind of just embraced each other. It was a blast. We had such a good time, and I already booked my flight for September to go see him. Anyway, today's video, as you can see, super colorful. This hair is in my mouth. Today's look, super colorful, super out there. Had to throw on the wig because I didn't feel like doing my hair, and we threw in the cat ears because do we need an explanation for that? Today's video is on the SUVA Beauty Block Party palette. If you haven't seen it, this is what it looks like. It is beautiful. It is the exact SUVA Beauty formulas that you love, the pure mattes and then the really buttery shimmers. Love it. Amazing variety of colors, and also like piggybacking these with the shadows that they already have. Let me find the palette. Colors that they already have, they pair so well together. I love it. I'm obsessed. Yes. I'll leave everything about the palette or where you can check out SUVA Beauty down in the description box below, but I'm sure if you have watched any of my videos before, you already know SUVA Beauty. So alright guys, so there's really not all that much that I'm gonna say before this video, even though I already just said a lot. Anyway, I've been using the LOUISE base for a lot of my looks, and I do feel like the looks that I use with the base end up looking more vibrant and looking more smooth. So I'm trying to use it more. When I get like the hang of it more, I'll show you like how I like to use it. I did also use a single shadow. I'm sorry, I used a single. I cheated. If you want to see my look using this palette, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so like I said in the intro, I'm going to start out with the LOUISE base. I actually already had this on my eye, and it started to crease a little bit, so I'm just like spreading it out more. And you just like pat it until it's set. And now I'm going into the Block Party palette, and I'm taking the shade Drunk Love. So I think that sounded confusing. You don't set this base. You kind of pat it until it sets itself. It's kind of cool. So I'm taking that hot pink shade on a MAC 217 brush, and I'm kind of just like stamping this into my crease. So whenever I use the LOUISE base, I feel like I have to flip my whole makeup routine the other way. So I start off with the darkest shade, and then I blend up. So now I'm taking the SUVA Beauty Lock Bridge Single Shadow, and I'm going to do kind of the same thing. I'm like kind of like stamping it on and like kind of blending, but not doing like a ton of blending, because I need to go in and set my brow bone. And for that, I'm going to be taking the shade Milkshake, which is that pure white. So I'm kind of, you know, stamping that onto the brow bone area. And then I'm going to pick up my previous brush with more of Lock Bridge, and then I'm blending that out. So like I said, whenever I use the LOUISE base, I kind of have to flip my whole like makeup routine, or even just like my blending routine the other direction, because usually I'll go in with like my transition and then darken up the crease. But when you use this base, you have to start with like your darkest color in the crease and then like blend up. Yeah, so definitely been a whole new learning curve for me, but you know, I like a challenge. So now I'm taking more of the LOUISE base, and I'm taking that on a Sugar Pill lip brush. You can use any tiny brush that you like, or any brush really. And I'm just cutting my crease. So I'm going to cut that in like a winged out type shape. So of course I went in and blended out the base and did that pat 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 motion. And now I'm taking Dancing Shoes from the palette, and I'm taking this on a super tiny wing liner brush, and I'm winging that out and then bringing it back in. I'm just like doing a wing because I'm going to do like a smoked out wing look. So now I'm taking Boom Box and I'm kind of going over that. And like we did in the crease, I'm not going in and blending right away. I'm kind of just like applying it, and then I'm going to be blending like after. And now I'm taking the shade Lemonade and I'm placing that above that, and I'll do like my blending. Alright, so then I picked up more of the previous shade and I'm going to start like blending these shades all together. I think I created more work for myself somehow because I did spend a lot of time blending these out. So, yeah. It's been a while since I filmed a tutorial, so I'm kind of out of practice. Alright, so here I picked up more of the white because I wanted this area to be like more white and not have that yellow cast. So I just kind of blended that out to really softly diffuse that wing area. And yeah, I'm taking more of that teal, again, blending. Like I said, I created more work for myself somehow. I don't know what I did. Alright, so now I'm taking Flash Mob, and I did take this on a wet paintbrush. Excuse me. And then I am placing that all on the blank space on my lid. And I am bringing that kind of on top of the yellow and teal-ish shades just to kind of bring that all together. Alright, so then I'm taking a makeup wipe and cleaning up that wing area. So I found out you don't want to do this when you have the P. Louise base down because it creates all types of problems for you and makes it really difficult. Anyway, I'm taking the Makeup Forever Aqua XL M80 liner pencil, and I'm placing that in my waterline and along the outer part of my lower lash line. And then I am downward winging this. Then taking a very tiny brush, I'm just like softly diffusing that a little bit. And then I'm going to be taking Barbecue from the palette and stamping this on top. And then I'm taking Mix Tape and I am applying this to the other half of my lower lash line. Then I'm just going to pick up more of Barbecue just so that they blend together. Cleaning up that wing area just so they're nice and sharp. Now I'm taking more of Flash Mob and I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with this. So then mascara, and for lashes I popped on the Sweetheart Lashes Kylie lashes. And this is the finished look, guys. Also on my brows I have the SUVA. Yeah, probably should have found out what this was called before I started talking about it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. You know the drill. And subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell. Yeah, I'm also wearing contacts. I'll leave that down in the description box below. And then on my lips, I am wearing Anastasia's Violet liquid lipstick. And that's it. Oh, also I'll leave the wig description or explanation. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'll leave the wig info down in the description box below. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.